A is for apple, red and bright. A is for ant, small and light.
And let us sing the ABCs, come on and play. Colors and letters every day.
A. B is for ball, bounce it high. B is for bird, up in the sky. Come on, sing with me, it's easy to see. Learning is fun as can be. C is for cat, purring so sweet. C is for cloud, fluffy and neat.
Sing the ABCs, let's jump and twirl. With every letter, let's spin and whirl.
D is for dog, wagging his tail. D is for duck, who likes to sail.
Let's keep moving, sing and groove. With each new letter, let's find our move.
E is for elephant, big and strong. E is for egg, roll along.
Shout out the letters, nice and clear. Sing the colors and give a cheer.
F is for fish, swimming so fast. F is for flower, it's big and fast.
Wiggle and hop, clap and shout. Sing the ABCs, dance all about.
G is for giraffe, tall and grand. G is for green, like the grass and sand.
Let's keep moving, don't miss a beat. Singing and dancing, isn't it neat?
H is for hat, on your head. H is for heart, that's red.
We're learning together, me and you. Come and join the fun, it's easy to do.
I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. I is for island, big and bold.
Sing the ABCs and color too. With every word we're learning new.
J is for jelly, wobbly and fun. J is for jump, let's go run.
Hop, skip, jump, let's play and sing. We're the happiest kids on the swing.
K is for kite, flying so high. K is for king, wearing a crown in the sky.
Let's dance and sing, let's keep the beat. With every new letter, we're moving our feet.
L is for lion, roaring loud. L is for lemon, bright and proud.
Sing the letters loud and clear. Shout out the colors, bring them near.
M is for monkey, swinging in trees. M is for moon, shining with ease.
Let's keep dancing, let's keep the flow. Sing and move, let's put on a show.
N is for nest, where birds rest. N is for night, when stars are best.
Jump and wiggle, it's a new day. Let's sing and laugh and dance away.
O is for orange, juicy and bright. O is for owl, flying at night.
Sing the letters, sing the colors too. It's so much fun with me and you.
P is for penguin, sliding on snow. P is for pink, a color that glows.
Dance and clap and stomp your feet. Singing the ABCs, feel the beat.
Q is for queen with the royal crown. Q is for quack, the duck makes sound.
Sing with me, let's make it loud. We're the happiest kids in the crowd.
R is for rabbit, hopping around. R is for rainbow colors all around.
Sing and twirl, jump up high. Look at the rainbow in the sky.
S is for sun, shining so bright. S is for sky, such a beautiful sight.
Let's keep singing, let's keep the cheer. With every letter, fun is near.
T is for tiger, fast and strong. T is for tree, where birds belong.
Sing with me, let's jump and play. We're learning together every day. U is for umbrella, when it rains. U is for unicorn, magical and vain. Let's keep dancing, let's keep the flirl. With every letter, we give a whirl.
V is for van, driving on the street. V is for violet, a flower so sweet.
Clap your hands, let's sing and play. We're dancing and learning every day.
W is for whale, swimming so wide. W is for water, flowing with pride.
Jump our hands, let's sing and play. Let's keep moving, it's our song.
X is for xylophone, play a tune. X is for X-ray, look at the moon.
Play the music, sing and dance. Let's go on a learning adventure, take a chance. Yo-yo spinning around.
Y is for yellow, all around town. Spin and spin, let's go around.
Singing the ABCs, what a sound.
Z is for zebra with stripes so neat. Z is for zigzag, moving our feet.
We sing the ABCs, let's shout and cheer. We've learned the colors, let's give a big cheer.